Hello guys, how are you doing? This is your girl, your mama, your sister, your auntie. Rosalie W. James here, about to do a little vlog here. Please spend some time with me. I'm walking up the stairs to the train station. I'm going to be taking 2 trains here in Brooklyn. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do the J to the L. I don't know how far I'm going. Just going to show you a little bit of scene here in the subway. Yeah, I'm walking, going on a set of stairs.
Hello.
Another flight. Yeah, guys. I didn't even check to see if there is any elevator. I'm just doing this flight. Yeah. So here am I. I'm going on the train that going in the Queen's direction. So we're gonna ride in both trains, the J train and the L train.
This is the Queens bound J train. The next stop is Broadway Junction.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
And I'm only taking it one stop. So as we ride, we view on the outside. The people sitting in the train. That part of the train, the glass is foggy. I want to go somewhere else. I'm looking at fog. I don't know if this part is better. I'm trying. Unfortunately, I have to get off the train, guys. I wanted to go a little further, but I'm going to up onto the L train. There is a sweet anointing in the sanctuary. There is you in the atmosphere. Come on, lay down, burdens you have carried in the sanctuary. Yeah, guys, and this is, as I said to you, this is Brooklyn.
The next stop is
I just got off this one. There's a little bit of the train life here in Brooklyn. This train is heading to Queens, coming from Manhattan. I'm hearing a little music here and there, so I have to move. I was standing for a while. I wanted to stand for a while, but the music had me moving, so I have to move. So let me stand here a little bit and then show you what's going on this side, in the opposite direction of the train tracks. The J train runs here. This side goes to Manhattan. Side where the dust came off goes to Queens. We're at this famous station, Broadway Junction. Okay, guys, and while I'm here, I'm going to be showing you some views from where I'm standing here. I'm going to go up to take the other train. I'm going to be here for a few minutes just to make better look and see what's, let you see the view. Yeah, car park over there. Cars, I think it's a place where you like fix car or keep them when they are damaged. Yeah. So we're viewing viewing from one of the big train stations. Sorry.